Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 12 health benefits of banana. It helps people with ulcer, regulates bowel movements, reduce itchy mosquito bites. Rubbing a banana peel on mosquitoes' bite can help stop the itchiness. Lower risk of heart disease and hypertension. Reduce depression. Promotes healthy bone. It promotes healthy bones. Relieves menstrual cramps. Can boost brain power. Helps those who want to quit smoking. Rich in nutrients. Prevents anemia. May aid weight loss. Alright guys, hope you've learned one or two things from this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Leave your comment down below. Yeah guys, these are the 12 health benefits of banana. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sure to see you guys in my next video. Bye.